In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a profit and loss report in Odoo. We'll walk through the process from opening the accounting app all the way to exporting the report as an XLSX spreadsheet. This is a very useful report because it helps you understand how your business is performing over a specific period by showing revenue, expenses, and overall profitability in a clear format. To begin, open the accounting app in Odoo. Once you're inside, look at the top menu and click on Reporting. This section gives you access to a range of financial reports, and it's where you'll find the tools needed to analyze your company's financial activity. Under Statement Reports, select Profit and Loss. Odoo will open the report view, where you can start customizing the information you want to see. At this stage, the report may already display data for a default period, but in most cases, you'll want to define the exact time frame you want to analyze. Click the Date filter at the top of the report. From there, select the start date and the end date for the period you want to review. This is important because the accuracy and usefulness of the report depend on choosing the right date range, whether you're checking a month, a quarter, or a full fiscal year. Once the dates are set, review the generated profit and loss report. You'll typically see key sections such as revenue and operating expenses. If you need a closer look at the numbers behind those totals, expand revenue or operating expenses to view more detailed figures. This can help you identify where income is coming from and where costs are being incurred. Next, review the gross profit, operating income or loss, and net profit figures. These summary lines are especially important because they give you a quick picture of financial performance. Gross profit helps you understand earnings after direct costs, while operating income and net profit show how the business is performing after broader expenses are considered. If you want to evaluate performance over time, use comparison to compare the selected period with another period. This is helpful for spotting trends, measuring growth, or identifying changes in spending and profitability. You can also use filters such as Analytic, Group, Posted Entries, or Budget when needed. These options allow you to refine the report and focus on the exact level of detail that matters for your analysis. When you're ready to save or share the report, click Print to access the export options. Then select XLSX to export the profit and loss report as a spreadsheet. This format is especially convenient if you want to do further analysis or share the report outside Odoo. Thanks for watching.